Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC60 on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see we have the tow bar and reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space along with the 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in great condition, as is the bodywork, particularly for the vehicle's age. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge. Moving right from that, the speedometer. And over on the far right-hand side, the coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see, just to the right-hand side of the centre, the total miles for the car. They are 56,251. And to the left-hand side of the centre, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are in park at the moment, of course. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons over here will change the information that's available in the centre. We've also got voice activation on here as well. Over on the left-hand side, we've then got your cruise control, as you can see. And in the centre, the main touchscreen for the car. Really big display, as you can see. This button is the only physical button, and that will take you back to this home screen. Otherwise, everything else is touchscreen. For example, the satellite navigation, as you can see here. You can go back to the home screen if you wish to. Then you've got your audio options, Bluetooth audio. We've got FM and DAB radio. Again, back to the home screen. You can pair your phone under this menu, so you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. We have a climate control menu that we can open up, where we can adjust the passenger temperature and the driver temperature. You can close these two down, of course. And then in the center here, we're able to adjust the fan speed up and down. We can turn the system to max with a push of one button and off with a push of another. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is off at the minute. That button turns it on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set. Below that, we then have the main volume for the stereo, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can start the vehicle and stop the vehicle with this dial. So that is now the engine off and back on again. You can change the driving mode of the car from here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.